Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Flask on a Windows operating system. So you are going to use PyCharm IDE to install Flask. So here I have created one sample project on Flask, and you can see that our Flask module is currently not available. So if we hover over this, you can see unresolved reference Flask. Because Flask is not there, so it is unable to recognize Flask. So I'm going to show you how you can easily install Flask and how you can easily run this simple project and how to launch that on browser. So everything I'm going to show you on this video. So do watch the video till the end. I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always comment me on our comment sections. I'll definitely try to help you. And recently I have created one account on Instagram, so you can also follow me over there, and if you have any questions you can also inbox me over there. I'll definitely try to help you. So now to install Flask, you need to just simply click on this hamburger icon and then you need to click on settings. So that will show you the settings window. Here you will see we have a project called Flask project over here. So to expand this, so whatever project you will be creating, so the similar Flask project is what is the name of our project. So whatever project name, you will see that over here. Alright, so you need to click on that and you need to expand that. Next you need to click on this Python interpreter, so that will open this. So here you can see currently we are only having pip, we need Flask. So for that you need to click on this plus icon, so that will open this available package window. Here you need to search Flask and you will get Flask over here. So you have to select this and then you need to click on install package. So that's going to start installing your Flask. So you need to have active internet connection right toward this installation, because it's going to take all the files from internet and then it's going to install it. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, and you can see that our Flask is successfully installed. Just simply click on close. So our Flask is installed along with all these different packages you can see. So everything is working as per expectations. Just simply click on OK, and you can see it is now started updating our projects, and that is also rightly done. So you can see that our Flask is no longer throwing any error. So everything is good. You can just simply click on this run button and it's going to start building our project. It is properly up and running over here. So if you click on this link, it's going to redirect to the browser and going to show you the output hello world on our browser. So whatever you have written on your code, so maybe if you want to change this hello world to, let's say, hello everyone, do subscribe our channel, and after that if you just simply click on this stop and rerun, it's going to again show you this link. So click on that, you can see it is properly updated with hello everyone, do subscribe our channel. Alright, so in this way you can easily install Flask and you can start creating your project. So if you need this project, I'll going to share that on our GitHub, so you can download it from our GitHub account. Again, I'm going to put that link in the description. So please do follow our Geeky Syntax channel as well. So here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos. So do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel along with Geeky Script vlogging channel if you're interested. And also don't forget to follow me on our Instagram. And you can always ask all of your doubts on our Instagram. I'll definitely try to help you. So that's basically all of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.